Hi, everyone. Welcome back to WP Plugins for You. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Today, we're diving into how to set up certificates in LearnDash. Certificates are a great way to recognize your learners' achievements, and they add a professional touch to your online courses. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create and configure certificates for your LearnDash courses. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing certificates in LearnDash. First, let's access the Certificates section in LearnDash. To do this, log into your WordPress dashboard, navigate to LearnDash LMS, and click on Certificates. Here, you'll see the option to add a new certificate or manage existing ones. Step 2. Creating a new certificate. To create a new certificate, click on Add New. This will take you to the certificate editor. Give your certificate a title, something that clearly identifies its purpose. This will help you manage multiple certificates in the future. Next, you can start customizing your certificate content. Add your text, such as this certifies that user meta field equals first_name has successfully completed, course info show equals course_title. You can also include dynamic fields like student name, course title, completion date, and more by using shortcodes. These fields will be automatically filled when the certificate is generated. Now, let's move on to customizing the design. Step 3. Designing your certificate. The design of your certificate is crucial to making it look professional. You can start by uploading a background image. This could be a pre-designed certificate template or a custom design you've created. Canva allows you to use pre-made templates for free and add some customization of your own. Once you've uploaded the background, you can adjust the positioning of the text fields to align with the design. You might want to insert the course title at the top of a certificate, the user's name in the middle, maybe at a completion date at the bottom, etc. One of the best ways to control vertical spacing and move content up or down on your certificate is to use the line height property. Wherever you need to insert some blank vertical space, you can use the following code. If you need to center your text in the middle of the certificate, you can use text-align center. Here's an example of the user's first name, centered horizontally. By default, all text will be aligned to the left edge of the certificate, right edge for RTL languages. If you need to indent something, you can use the text indent property like this. Step 4. Assigning the certificate to a course or quiz. Now that your certificate is ready, let's assign it to a course or a quiz. This will ensure that students receive their certificates automatically upon completion. Navigate to LearnDash LMS and click Quizzes. Go to the course or quiz where you want to assign the certificate, and scroll down to the Certificates section. Here, select the certificate you just created from the drop-down menu. Save your changes, and you're all set. Step 5. Testing your certificate. Before wrapping up, it's a good idea to test your certificate to make sure everything works as expected. Complete the course or quiz as a student, and you'll see the certificate available for download. Click the Print Your Certificate button. Check that all the dynamic fields populate correctly and that the design looks good. If you're looking for an even easier way to design your certificates, especially if you're not a designer, the LearnDash Certificate Builder plugin offers a fantastic alternative. This plugin integrates seamlessly with the Gutenberg Builder, allowing you to create certificates using a simple drag-and-drop editor. We will show it in the next video. Lastly, let's introduce our add-in plugin for printing a unique identification number on the certificate. See our separate video on Unique ID plugin. And that's it. You've successfully set up a certificate in LearnDash. This will add a professional touch to your courses and give your students a tangible reward for their hard work. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more LearnDash tutorials and tips. Also, let us know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.